Hi, Ma'am Sir. My name is Hazel Bolina. I'm currently in the Philippines and I am 33 years old. I'm in the Philippines and I am a college graduate taking Bachelor of Elementary Education, and my teaching experience was in 2016 to 2018. I'm a preschool teacher, and in 2018 and 2024 I am a registrar at the same school, and now I'm currently working as an admin staff in a big church here in the Philippines. And I really love teach children, and I hope you give me a chance to work with you. I am patient, I am kind, and I am honest, and I am willing to adjust and learn from you. Thank you and have a nice day.